So magandang araw kabola. So ongoing pa nga po itong ating 2023 FIBA World Cup. Alam ko marami sa ating na nagdaramdam pa rin sa nangyari po sa Gilas kabola. Pero we need to move on, di ba? And in this video kabola, pag-usapan natin ang mga potential po na i-offer ng bawat teams kabola para sa number 3 o number 4 pick po kabola ng Rain or Shine na pwede po maging available. So kung hindi pa nakasubscribe kabola, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Kung hindi po kayo familiar kabola, yung kasi sa isang article na nilabas dati po about Coach Yang Giao and the situation nga po ng number 3 at number 4 pick na hawak po nila for this upcoming draft, ang nabanggit po kasi doon is that may karapatan po sila kabola or si Coach Yang Giao na mag-decide kung ano pong gagawin niya dun sa mga picks na yun. At of course, kasama po sa mga potential po niyang gawin is actually to trade them kabola. So hindi ibig sabihin na dahil pinagtitrade yung mga picks niya po dati is hindi na po niya yun gagawin, di ba? It's still one of the option kabola. Kaya pag-usapan natin dito yung mga potential po na i-offer po na Converge, Blackwater at TNT. Fair po na offer for those number 3 pick. But before that, gusto ko lang highlight, no? Kasi a few hours before yung game ng Angola kabola against our national team, may nasabi pala or nag-statement pala itong si Coach Tab Baldwin regarding that game. And we all know what happened there, di ba? Hirap sumalaksak sa loob kasi nga sobrang haba ng mga players ng Angola at magaling din naman talaga. Alam nila yung fundamentals po, protection, shooting the rim, and then of course, that means yung 3-point shooting natin is badly needed. And this was the statement of Coach Tab Baldwin a few hours before that game. And it's really amazing kabola that his statement is very accurate, di ba? Very accurate kasi sabi niya dito, Clarkson gonna have to do a great job kasi mahirapan siya to get into the rim. Then all players should try to hit 3-point shots or be good by hitting 3-point shots kabola. That was the statement of Coach Tab Baldwin. At yun nga po yung nangyari, di ba? We did not hit our 3-point shot and then we lose that game kabola. And again, remember, this is the coach na pinalitan po ni Coach Chot Reyes. Ito na po yung mga best offer po. First, Converge, Jay Ombot, and the number 10 pick for the number 3 pick of Rain or Shine. Mga kabola. So, usually kasi medyo malaki po yung drop off from number 2 to number 3. Kaya sa palagay ko naman, ang bot in number 10 for the number 3 pick could be good enough. Especially kung talagang highly valued mo po yung pinapakita pong potential ni Jerome Bot. Yes, I understand kabola na hindi siya masyado nakapagpakitang gilas noong last season kabola kasi hindi siya nakakuha ng consistent minutes. Pero sa mga pinapakita niya, still 6'7", 6'8", and really capable of hitting 3-point shot. And again, this type of big man are hard to find kabola and are crucial in modern basketball. And we are now in modern basketball. Blackwater po, 2024, Blackwater first, and Ray Suerte for the number 3 pick. So number 3 pick nga po yung usapan natin dito. And sa palagay ko naman, this should be considered by Rain or Shine. I think Ray Suerte is a legit deadly scorer kabola. Kailangan niyang ma-develop, ma-build up pa po yung game niya by the right coach. And I think Coach Yang Giao is of course one of, if not the best in terms of developing players kabola. So I will trust him, di ba? With Ray Suerte. Then makakuha nila yung 2024 first ng Blackwater that is easily a top 5 pick kabola, di ba? So kahit pa number 5 yan, parang sinabi, number 5 ng 2024 plus Ray Suerte for number 3, I think that is a fine deal. Then TNT, who should they give up if number 3 is on the table? RR Pugoy, di ba? Although, of course, realistically, that is highly doubtful. Pero kung gusto nila makuha number 3 pick, I think RR Pugoy should be the guy that Rain or Shine should consider. Least in terms of yung mga ibang superstar nila, of course, pag yun may in-offer like Michael Williams, edi ECS na agad-agad yan, diba? Pero kung si RR Pugoy at RR Pugoy pa lang po, okay na yan. The guy is one of the best 3-and-D guard / wing sa liga natin. Very unique offensive player. He has legit post-up scoring that will make your offense unpredictable kabola. Yung gandaan po dito kay RR Pugoy. And of course, the defense is also very good kabola. So sa palagay mo kabola, ano dito yung mga dapat po na offer na tanggapin po ng Rain or Shine? Comment lang po sa baba.